I'm gonna take my key. I'm gonna go chalk my wheels. I'm gonna close the door. I will now begin my air brake test. Drop the primary gauge under 85 before you safe start. I will now safe start. Now begin the air governor cut-off test. Accelerate no more than 1300 RPMs. Primary needle stop moving at 130 psi. This is a good test because the air governor cut off between 120 and 140 psi. Turn off truck. Push in your yellow and red knobs. Turn key to the on position. I will now begin the 460 applied leakage test. Hold the brake pedal down. Do not let go. Let the primary needle stabilize. The primary needle has stabilized. I will begin my 60 seconds now. My 60 seconds are done. I did not lose no more than 4 psi. I lost 2 psi. This was a good test. Release the brake pedal. I will now begin the low air warning alarm test. Fan the brake pedal. The low air warning alarm has activated no lower than 55 psi. This was a good test. I will now begin the emergency brake test. Fan brake pedal. The spring brakes popped out between 45 and 20 psi. This was a good test. I will now remove the wheel chocks. Take my key. I will now safe start my vehicle. I will accelerate to get my air pressure to 100 psi. Finished my air brake check. I will now perform the parking and trailer brake check. First, I will begin the tractor brake check. I will tug forward to make sure the tractor brakes are holding. The tractor brakes are holding. This was a good test. I will now begin the trailer brake check. I will tug forward to make sure the trailer brakes are holding. The trailer brakes are holding. This was a good test. I will now begin the service brake check. I will roll forward at 5 miles per hour, apply the brake pedal, and come to a complete stop. The vehicle stopped. It did not pull to one side or the other. There was no delayed stopping action. This was a good test. I will now begin the lighting indicators. Making sure the dashboard indicators work properly when turned on. Turn off truck. I will now safe start to check the ABS. The ABS light turns on and off, works properly. Next lighting indicator, I will check the low beam, work properly. High beam, work properly. Left turn signal, work properly. Right turn signal, work properly. Four-way flashers, work properly. I will now begin the emergency equipment. I have 3 reflective triangles. I have spare electrical fuses. A fire extinguisher is securely mounted, fully charged with the needle in the green. I will begin the windshield and traffic monitoring devices. First, my windshield is clean. There's no cracks, no flaws to the glass, no obstructions or illegal stickers except inspection stickers. My traffic monitoring devices, my door mirrors, they are clean. They are adjusted from within the cab for my visibility. The hood mirrors, they are clean and they are adjusted manually. I will now begin the wipers and washers. The wiper arms and blades, they are secure, not worn, not damaged, and they work smoothly. Windshield washer fluid works properly. Pull back. I will now begin the heater and defroster. Defroster heater working properly. I will now begin horns. Electric horn, work properly. Air horn, work properly. Examiner, can you step out to inspect the external light check?